Pull the cable up tight alongside the post where the receiver will be installed in the post. Mark the cable in accordance with the instructions included with the fittings. Cut the cable at the mark with a cable cutter. Swage the threaded stud onto the cable. See separate instructions for swedging threaded studs if this is the first time you've swedged our fittings onto cable. Put the washer over the barrel of the receiver and slide the receiver into the end post. Slip the threaded end of the stud into the receiver and turn the receiver onto the threads of the stud with a hex wrench. When finger tight, finish tightening the cable by gripping the cable with cable gripping pliers and turning the receiver with a hex wrench until the cable is tight.